here we are. This is the diffuser. As you can see, the single tip exhaust right there. But you know I'm all about more of an aggressive look. So I went ahead and got this right here. This is the rear diffuser that will go from the single tip style to the quad tip style. So there's a couple of screws I'm gonna have to take loose. The some I already took loose, but we'll get into that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So under the car, you're gonna have to remove these screws right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th. And this is on both sides. All right, guys, this for sure is gonna be the best installation video, but there we go. I have unhooked 1, 2, and 3. All of that's unhooked really. And I'm about to go up to the top. Let's see it. Oh, pretty hard to see, but as you can see my finger, and it's a clip right here. Yeah, this is gonna be tough to see, but there's a metal clip, and I'll take it off and I'll show you what it looked like. But that's gotta go. That's on both sides. All right, everybody, I got them all out. So here goes the rear diffuser off. Let me tell you, this is not easy if you don't got your car on a lift. But you're gonna have these are what you're gonna have to snap. And it's quite a bunch of them. And these are what you're gonna be pulling off. So once you get all of those off, it's real easy to pull off. Easier if you got a tool plastic pry piece. And you're gonna be reusing these. So you're gonna pop these off. As you can see, it has a clip right here and a screw right here. Same thing for the other one. Screw, clip, pretty easy. All right, so I just popped the diffuser back in. All of these bolts bolt right back up. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take some force and whack them in. I mean, you're gonna have to hit them, you know, with enough force. As you can see, that one's out. You're gonna have to hit it. When you screw everything in on the side, everything else will line up flush, but this fitment is pretty perfect so far. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go back under and let me turn the flashlight on and put the clips all back in. Like I said, everything goes in the way you took it off. So it's that simple. So far the difficulty is about a 3 out of 5. You know, I'm sweaty, I'm dirty. It's gonna be dirty, that's just what it is. A little dirty never hurt nobody. So yeah, let's go ahead and pin these suckers back up. Now when you're going in on this side, you're gonna have to go under, and these clips gonna come all the way up here. So you're gonna have to pinch it and make sure the clips are clipped in properly. It's gonna take some muscle to do it though, it's a little rough. Well, I'm finally finished, and this is the old diffuser sitting right here. Let's go to the new one. Here we go. I think that looks much better. As you can see, there's room for 2 tips, and I'm gonna probably go 4-inch on the outlets on both of the tips. But this is a much better looking diffuser. Noticeable differences right here. Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Like I said, this was not the easiest. You're gonna get dirty. Like I said, it's gonna take a lot of patience. You may cut yourself up a little bit, but it's definitely worth it, you know. Ain't nothing like spilling a little blood, you know, your own blood, whatever. But thanks again, guys. If you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe, and I'm out of here.
It's getting serious on this track.